deadline for 2021 calendar year tax filing was April 18th, 2022 for a majority of taxpayers. However, the good news is if you submitted Form 4868, Application for Automatic Extension of Time to file U.S. income tax return, prior to the deadline, you received a 6-month extension to file. This means that your new deadline is October 17th, 2022. However, it was an extension to file, not to pay. If you were required to make a payment and did not do so, or you paid less than the tax due, the IRS will add an interest charge calculated from April 18th on the balance due until it's paid in full. It is important to remember that even though you may have a good reason for not paying your taxes in a timely manner, you will still be responsible for paying this interest, and there's no deduction for the interest on overdue taxes. Besides interest, it is possible that you may be charged penalties as well. If a balance is more than 10% of the tax shown on your return, or if you do not make the full payment by October 17th, 2022, generally, they will add a penalty. The penalty could be as low as 0.5% of any tax owed, with a maximum rate of 25%. Similar to interest charges, penalties are non-deductible. Thankfully, unlike interest, the IRS will not charge a penalty if you are able to provide a reasonable cause for not paying in a timely manner. You'll need to attach a statement to your tax return that provides the full reason for the delay. In order to qualify, you must have paid at least 90% of the total tax listed on your 2021 return by April 18th and pay the remaining balance with your 2021 return. If you are late filing your return, not just paying the balance, you should expect that the IRS will also charge a penalty for this as well, which is generally calculated on the amount due for each month or part of the month that your tax return filing is late. The maximum penalty that you can receive is 25%. You will also have the opportunity to prove that you were late filing due to a reasonable cause and not due to neglect. If you provide a qualifying reason, then the IRS may waive the penalty. Be sure to attach a statement to your return that fully explains why you are behind on filing. If you still have questions regarding what to expect when you make a late payment or are behind with filing, please contact your tax professional today for assistance.